Okay, Manuel. Um, you asked me a question about how to do the active reading skill builder. Um, and this video is to hopefully help you. If you have any questions afterwards, you can email me again. I'm going to begin by reading the directions. Main idea. A main idea is usually a statement. A statement basically means a sentence. A main idea is usually a sentence that tells not only what a paragraph is about, but also what the author says about the topic. Main ideas can be directly stated or implied. Supporting details include facts, quotations, and other evidence that reinforce the main idea. As you read Pericles' field narration, fill in the chart, identify the main idea, and then list a few supporting details that reinforce the main idea. Examples have been provided. Well, there's some words in here that might be hard to understand. Implied, I think you might know what that means. That means basically that you have to guess it, you have to infer it. It's the main idea is not written directly into the paragraph. You just kind of had to figure it out on your own, like read between the lines, draw a conclusion. Sometimes, but like it says here directly stated, sometimes the main idea is usually in there, and that's when we learned when we were in middle school and elementary school when they told us the main idea usually comes at the beginning of a paragraph. So if you're looking for the main idea of any sentence in the paragraph that they're asking you to, I would look at the first two sentences first. And then skim the rest and see if one of those first two sentences could be the main idea. But if you get to one of these other paragraphs that you do that and you can't really tell, just skim it really quick, read it real fast, and then try to figure out like the big picture, like overall, what does it say, and just write it in your own words in a sentence. Okay, so that's the gist of the directions there. Okay, so as I said in class, this pretend student, they just as an example, they looked at paragraph 2, which means that you would have to, if you were doing this one too, you would have to go to paragraph 2 on page 236. So you would open your textbook to paragraph 2, page 236, and you would read that paragraph. And then you would have to either look at the first or second sentence and then skim it really quick and see if that one of those first two sentences could be the main idea. So this person, they said that the main idea of the sentence says, and they put in quotes, so it's directly from the text, from the paragraph itself. It says, "Our Constitution is called a democracy because power is in the hands of the people, not of a minority, but not in the hands, not of a minority, but of the whole people." So this guy wrote this. This student wrote this. So then this means that he probably would go back into the paragraph and then just quickly find two details that basically make this thing true, that's what the main idea is. So his supporting details that he quoted it. He said, when it is a question of settling private disputes, everyone is equal before the law. So we can see that everyone, no matter who it is treated the same. So then we know that, since right here it says hands not of a minority but of the whole people, so that means everybody. So we can see that this supporting detail that this student wrote, he's right or she's right. Okay, so now we need one more, because I said you guys needed two, just like this guy did, this student. So this student also said, no one, so long as he has it in him to be of service to the state, is kept in political obscurity because of poverty. So again, it says no one is kept in political obscurity, meaning in the dark or kept apart because they're poor. So they're just saying that anybody, no matter how poor you are, you will be a part of the law, you will be a part of Athens. So again, democracy is in the power of the whole people. So what you're going to be doing here, and the next one, is going to be doing the same thing. You're going to read the paragraph 1, page 237, right? That was 236. And then you're going to just do like this person. You're going to try to find the main idea, quote it. You just write it. You just pick a sentence that you think is the main idea. You quote it. You write it directly from the text and you put it here. Over here, you're going to put two details, and usually they're like in the middle, that support whatever main idea it is here. And you just have to quote it again. You don't have to figure it out on your own. And you're going to do this for all the three right here. If you have any questions, call me back, or if you didn't really understand what I was saying, if you have another question you want to ask me, email me back. Okay? I'll talk to you later, mijo. Bye-bye.